हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से एक बारी हमारे चैनल द हैरी सर अकेडमी में। आई होप यू ऑल आर फैंटास्टिक। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि आप कैसे अपने किसी भी फेवरेट टॉपिक के ऊपर इंग्लिश में अपने ओपिनियन शेयर कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे आज मैंने यहाँ पर टॉपिक लिया है मैरिज, तो आप इस तरह से कोई सा भी कॉमन टॉपिक यहाँ पे चूज कर सकते हैं। लाइक अगर आप पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, आप इसके ऊपर कह सकते हैं। चाहे तो आप अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर कह सकते हैं, एजुकेशन के ऊपर आप कह सकते हैं, या क्लाइमेट चेंज के ऊपर, या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर। देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ टॉपिक्स। आप किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर इंग्लिश में स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो स्पीकिंग के लिए आप एक ऐसा टॉपिक चुनिए जिसमें आप सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हों, जिस चीज़ के बारे में आपको ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हो, ताकि आप उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स बोल पाएँ। तो आज का टॉपिक शुरू करने से पहले अगर अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन, बिकॉज गाइज इट रियली मोटिवेट्स मी टू मेक सच इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज फॉर यू। Friends, marriage is very important decision of our life because we are going to spend our entire life with that one person. So as we grow up, we all have this thought in our mind that whether I should get married or not. There are lots of people, they have clear cut idea, they have a clear mindset that at the age of this I will get married, but there are, on the other hand, there are lots of people, they are in dilemma, or we can say that they are in fix. They have no idea that whether they should get married or they should not get married. And guys, in our surrounding we can see that there are lots of people who give priority to their career over marriage, and whether it is girl or a boy. Nowadays we can see that girls also give priority to their career over marriage. And nowadays we can see that in our society the number of domestic violence cases and women exploitation has increased. So no girl want to go under such situation, so they want to become financially independent before getting married. And we can also see that there are lots of people, once they are financially stable, once they get a good job, they have a source of earning, then they get married to someone else, because now they are earning, so they can just fulfill the needs of their family members. But on the other hand, there are many people who are financially stable but still they do not want to get married. And according to a recent survey, there are 40% people who do not want to get married. And we can see that in recent years there is decline in marriage rate throughout the world. So there can be various reasons behind this, like disloyalty and unemployment and many more reasons. In our surrounding we can see that there are lots of successful marriage and lots of unsuccessful marriage also. So we all have that fear in our mind that what if I will get a wrong partner for myself, and nobody want to go under such a situation. They do not want to suffer because of their partner, so we have this fear in our mind that we will also get that type of partner and we will have to face because of him or her. And the second reason here is unemployment. As we can see that the unemployment rate is increasing. Lots of youths, they are unemployed, and if some are doing job, then they are not getting good salary. They are earning just 8k or 10k. Obviously if they are not earning good, they do not have a stable source of earning, they are not financially stable, so they do not want to get married. Why will they want to get married? Because once they will get married, then they will have to start a family, and to fulfill the need of their family members, to feed them, to nurture them, there should be a good source of income. Because we can see that the rate of inflation in our country is also increasing. So in that case, most of the people, they avoid to get married, they deny to get married. And we can see that there are two types of marriage: love marriage and arranged marriage. So in arranged marriage, your family members, your parents choose a partner for yourself on various factors like family background, profession and education. While in love marriage, you choose a partner for yourself according to your understanding, according to your level of understanding. So there are both pros and cons of both love marriage as well as arranged marriage. In arranged marriage, you do not get sufficient time to spend with that person before getting married. Before marriage, you meet with that person just for 2 to 3 times or 4 times, and I think this time is not sufficient to understand the nature of that person, his behavior, his habits. Is that person is supportive or not? How is about his true colors and his bad habits? But in many cases we can see love marriage also fails, because sometimes we are not mature enough, we do not have that much understanding, and we choose a wrong partner for ourselves. We think that it is love, we think that it is love, while it is not love, it is attraction that time, and we choose a wrong partner for ourselves. In arranged marriage, we can see the advantage is family members support you, because they choose that partner for you, so they will support you each and every time. They are in your support from the starting. While in love marriage, your family members don't support you most of the time. They are against you, but still just for your happiness they agree with you. But still, if you are facing that time, they can say that you have chosen that partner for yourself, now it is your headache. And especially in intercaste marriage, as you all know that what is intercaste marriage. In intercaste marriage, two persons from a different caste or different religion, they come together and they marry with each other. In our country, we can see that most of the people are against intercaste marriage. They do not want their son or girl to get married to a person who is from other caste or other religion, and about the things that you consider before getting married to that person. Okay, and at last I just want to say that if you want to get married with someone, just before that try to know everything about that person, because marriage is not just a game, because you have to put lots of energy, time and effort in that relationship. And guys, if you will choose a wrong partner for yourself, then it will impact your kids also. So these were my opinion about marriage, and you can let me know in comment section that what type of marriage do you support, love marriage or arranged marriage. Okay guys, so that's it for today. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया है कि आप कैसे किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर अपने ओपिनियंस रख सकते हैं. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, आपको बहुत ही कॉमन टॉपिक लेना है जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्पीकिंग कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो से कुछ सीखने को मिला, आपको कुछ जानकारी मिली. इफ यस, देन गिव इट अ लाइक, subscribe to our channel. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.